This right here, these stems were grown last year. Last year they were new wood, new growth. This year they're considered old wood, on which these buds for new flowers will appear, because we didn't have a terrible winter this year. Okay. Flowers will hopefully come off here. Old wood. Last year it was new wood. Okay. Now, down here is this year's new wood off the base. That's the new wood. The buds will form this summer for next year. So these guys down here will be these next year. Meanwhile, then there's the dead stuff from a year ago. Look at this. So you want to get rid of this because nothing's happening here. This is done. It's a cycle.
Right.
2-year cycle. So this is only the beginning of the work you need to do. These are high maintenance, these things. People think they're low maintenance. They're not. Because you have to go in and remove every year, like the dead stuff. Look at this. You got a lot of work to do, my friend.